Hi, I'm Nikki Jabor, and if your cucumber plants are covered in leaves and flowers, but you're not yet harvesting loads of crispy, delicious cucumbers, don't worry, you're not alone. There are three common reasons why cucumber plants aren't producing or stop producing, but the good news is there's an easy fix for each one of them. Reason number one is a lack of pollination. Cucumber plants produce separate male and female flowers. The male flowers appear first, but only the female flowers. These are the ones with the tiny baby cucumbers behind the blooms can grow into fruit. If you're not sure which is which, look under the flower. Male flowers have a straight stem, whereas female flowers have that baby fruit. If bees and other pollinators aren't visiting your garden, those flowers won't get pollinated and the tiny cucumbers will shrivel up and drop off. The fix? Plant pollinator-friendly flowers nearby. Avoid spraying insecticides, even organic ones, as they can harm pollinator populations. And if necessary, hand pollinate flowers by transferring pollen from a male flower to a female flower. You can use a cotton swab, small paintbrush, or just use the male flower. Reason number two, heat stress. Oof. When the temperature climbs above 32 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Fahrenheit, cucumber plants struggle. Extreme heat can reduce new flower production, cause existing blossoms to drop, and slow fruit development. It can also result in misshapen fruit. To help your plants, water deeply whenever the soil starts to feel dry, and mulch around the base of your plants to keep the soil cool and damp. Also, be sure to harvest your cucumbers regularly so the plants keep producing new flowers. In extreme temperatures, you can even hang a length of shade cloth above your cucumber bed to offer some relief from the heat. Reason number three, poor harvesting habits. This one surprises a lot of gardeners because if you leave mature cucumbers on your vines too long, the plant thinks its job is done, and instead of making new blooms, it shifts its energy into ripening seeds. The solution is simple, however. Check your plants every day or two and pick cucumbers while they're still young, tender, and at or below the recommended size for the variety you're growing. Read the seed packet to find out the best fruit size. And here's one more bonus tip. Once your cucumber plants start to flower, fertilize them with a liquid organic fertilizer every couple of weeks. Choose a product that's high in potassium and phosphorus, but lower in nitrogen. Too much nitrogen encourages loads of leaves, but few cucumber fruits. Follow these tips and your plants should reward you with a steady harvest all summer long. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Happy growing!